This is the Ulefone Note 11P, a budget beast, because this one costs only $150, and for that we get 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, Android 11, a 4400 mAh battery, the Helio P60, which is a pretty old chip but it's still pretty good today, a 6.55-inch display, and 48 megapixel camera. Bunch of good stuff we get with this phone for such a low price. Okay, not the greatest presentation, but yeah. Oh, okay, we got the black version, I see. Nice. So pretty sexy back at first glance. Alright, so the display is only 720p plus, but for the price we can forgive that. We install screen protector. In the box we get our phone charging instructions. Quick guide, warranty card. Ooh, we get a TPU case as well. Charging brick and charging cable, which is USB Type-C. Alright, so first impressions, the display actually looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. We have a rear fingerprint sensor over here, but it is pretty flush with the body, so you might have to get used to it. But it does come with the case, which should make it easier to find a fingerprint sensor. Alright, so the phone is all set up. It looks pretty beautiful actually, not gonna lie. Like the black color. Should have gotten a different color to be honest. So the phone is very fast, very responsive. Let's see if we have a face unlock. I mean, we should. Yeah, there we go, face unlock. We're gonna set that up. All set, looking good. Alright, first up, fingerprint sensor. Nothing. Ah, finally, okay. Ah, there you go. Alright, so I have to put it exactly in the middle in order for it to work. But I say as soon as you get used to the placement and everything, then it is a pretty fast and reliable fingerprint sensor. Now face unlock. Wow, that's even faster. Okay, so face unlock, fingerprint unlock, both very fast and reliable systems. I don't know about day-to-day usage. Like right now, this is a pretty well-lit room. Based off of my test right now, I'd say it works pretty good. Okay, now if it doesn't want to open. Oh, there you go. Stutter, that's weird. Okay, never mind, now it's good. Wait, let's turn off ads. What? Alright, so I noticed, like, when you first start the game, it's gonna stutter for like 10 seconds. But after that, it's gonna run flawlessly, which is a bit weird, but what you gonna do? So as soon as it settles, there's no lag or stutter, so now if it runs okay. Wind Rider, however, is running really good, 60 FPS, and it just crashed. And we're back, so now if it runs pretty good, I like it. Just a tiny bit of stutter, but that's only in the beginning, but most of the time the game is going to be running at 60 FPS. Alright, so the game is smooth right off the bat. Let's check our graphics settings. Oh, frame rate ultra. Alright, this is going to be interesting. Okay, it looks like we're almost getting 60 FPS. Come on, see, there you go. Okay, frame rate is very, very smooth. Nice. You guys can't tell on your end, but I can see that the fact that this phone supports like the highest frame rate. But let's see the graphics. So the graphics are at HD. How about UHD? Nope. Nope. HDR. I don't think this phone has HDR. So this phone overall runs great on PUBG. I really like it. Alright, so the speaker doesn't get the loudest, but the quality is very nice. No distortion, a bit of bass, so the speaker is overall decent. Alright, the camera. So, rear camera is 12 megapixels, selfie is 8 megapixels, rear video full HD, front video is only 720p, okay that's a bit weird. So let's take a first selfie. Let's go outside. We're facing video on the Ulefone Note 11P Full HD. So far pretty decent. Cloudy day. It's been cloudy for a few days now. See if you can focus on this flower. Wow, I don't even have to touch the screen and it's focusing. That's pretty good. And yeah. Front facing video on the Ulefone Note 11P. This is only 720p. Let me know what you think of the quality. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And for 150 bucks, I think you're getting great value for money. You know, latest Android version, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the Helio P60, a good display, good speakers, good cameras. You know, this phone does it all, even a headphone jack. Also, great battery life. Like, since I started the review, it only dropped 3%. And I've been reviewing this phone for a while now. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.